Hey, this is Matt from 360 Investigations, and I'm standing in front of a abandoned house I found. Plus, there's one right around the corner. It's like 20 yards away from me that I'm actually going to go into as well. I don't know the condition of this one, but I'm going to take you inside and let's see what's going on. Okay, so this floor is very dilapidated, so I'm not sure if I'm even going to attempt to walk on this, but I'll try. But okay, that was rather unnerving. The floor was very unstable. There's another building I'm going to go into and check it out, so I'm going to end the camera here, and I'm going to start it back up when I'm in there. The other area is not that small, not that big. It's just basically one room, but I'll take you inside. It's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm in the other place now. I'll just give you a look around. As I said, it's basically one small room, so check it out. Okay, that concludes this investigation. Sorry it wasn't more I could give you, but that's about it. So this is Matt, 360 Investigation, signing off. And I'll be doing, me and Lisa will be doing another play shortly. Take care, guys.